Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here we have a nice system of equations of a squared minus b squared equals 8 and a plus b equals 4. Let's call this one equation 1 and let's call this one equation 2. So I'm going to solve this problem with a very nice step and a nice method. So let's solve this considering the solution first. Let's consider from equation 1 as a squared minus b squared equals 8. And a squared minus b squared are difference of two squared, which we consider this as a minus b, then multiply by a plus b equals 8. But according to equation 2, we have a plus b here giving us 4. By substituting this gives us a minus b multiplied by 4 equals 8. So by dividing both sides by 4 cancelled 4, then a minus b equals 2. Let's call this one equation 3. By placing equation 2 below it, we have a plus b equals 4. This is our equation 2. Then to get the value of a, we add these two equations together. This b cancelled b, and a plus a, we are going to have 2a equals 2 plus 4, that is 6. And by dividing both sides by 2 from here, we have this cancelled and our a is giving us 3. So if a equals to 3, then we are going to substitute this into any of these equations, either the original equations or the new equation that we form. Suppose I consider being the original equation as a squared minus b squared equals 8. By replacing a with 3, we are going to have 3 squared minus b squared equals 8. Then 3 squared here, that is 1. That is 9. Then we transfer it to other side. Therefore, we have b squared equals 1. But here we are getting two solutions for this. So here we have b equals 1. So let's just consider the positive part of this since we have gotten only one values of a. So this is how we solve this problem. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.